Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable allow app suggested ads in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more privacy settings, and here click on ads. Now here click on ads privacy, and from here click on app suggested ads. Now here you will see a allow app suggested ads button. So if you want to disable allow app suggested ads, then turn off this button, and if you want to enable allow app suggested ads, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can enable or disable allow app suggested ads in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.